So hi, I'm doing Halara haul number 2 like I promised, because I did get the other part of my shipment in and 2 more orders. So I will just try and go ahead and try all of this on for you and tell you what worked and what didn't work and what I'm returning and why. I just got home from a super long day at work. It was hot and raining and my makeup is trash, but we will just do the try on because otherwise I'm never gonna do it. And also because I got in my 3rd shipment, which has 3 pairs of denim jeans. So I'm super excited to try that on. I didn't even open it yet, so I'm super excited because like I was saying from the first haul, I did order a pair of jeans and it took super long to get here, like almost a month, because you know they make it in the factory in China probably and send it here to order, so it's not sitting in a warehouse or anything like that. Some of their stuff is at a warehouse and will come super quick, but other things I think they make to order. And I was super disappointed because the material was so comfortable and stretchy, but I just cannot wear them. I'll show you because it is ridiculous. I can't believe it's a size small. So that is why I'm doing these videos, because I like the company, I like the clothes, but to ship here, I think we have to pay $14 of shipping, which if you can balance it out with some coupon codes, it's not that bad. But the return process is also very interesting. I gathered up my things I was going to return, which is in this bag. So there's kind of a lot of things that didn't quite fit, and I went to go and return it. And there was a process. It was kind of complicated, but I think if you get credit instead of a refund, one, they give you 20% more than the price that you would have got. And maybe because the shipping is so expensive from Hawaii, which I don't know, they're not paying for anyways. But they said to keep it. I think. I have to read the email a little bit closer, but yeah, that's what I think what happened. Similar to Temu. If when you order something from Temu and you're gonna return it, if it's under a certain price point, they just say keep it and they give you a credit versus a refund. So I'm all for that. But yeah, some of these things I can't wear. Maybe I can find another home for them. Yeah, but I will definitely try this on. The go backs. Only 2 things were I absolutely cannot wear. So the rest I could wear, it just wasn't my favorite thing. What I'm really excited about is the denim. So let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, and so if you haven't been doing the Halara circle, I just found out today that I got it for the 3rd time. So I'm getting my 3rd piece in probably later this week. So I don't want to wait for that. I'm gonna end up not doing this haul or wearing everything, and it's all gonna be in the wash and all lost, and I'm never gonna do the video. Here are the jeans. Right now I'm wearing this is just a Lululemon sweater, and this is the the micro waffle work pants in size small. And I was super comfortable today. It was raining. I decided to go all comfort and wear shoes, and these are a little loose, so these are the size small. It's kind of hard to see because it's black. I could have gone in an extra small. It would have been a slightly tighter at the waist, slightly less comfortable at the waist, but for a better fit in the legs and the butt, I would have done it. Okay, so this one is super soft right out of the bag. It's so soft. This is the Halara Flex mid-rise straight leg casual jeans with pockets. Vollarta blue denim extra small regular. I guess it didn't have a petite option, so I ended up getting the regular. See, even this looks kind of big, right? It's extra small. But it is very stretchy, so it's kind of forgiving if you size down. Okay, so these are the jeans, and it's so comfy. I can totally, I don't know, squat. It's not pulling here or anything. It is so comfortable. The pockets are really great. These are functional pockets. There's belt loops, an actual button and zipper, which I like. And the back pockets are functional too. There's a little tag here. I think it's faux leather, but yeah, I love these. It's just loose enough and light enough where I can wear it to work. The length is not bad for being regular length, and I'm guessing when I wash it and dry it, maybe it'll shrink just a tiny bit, but then I can wear it with like a little bit longer shoes. I got the other two in petite, so you know, at least you can have one with, they can wear with like a wedge or a heel. I like it. Okay, definitely keeping these. If it is so stretchy, like I know in the commercials they all do this, right? They all do this, but literally like the four-way stretch is, okay, it doesn't stretch that much this way, but this way, oh my gosh. And if you look closely, it's not like jegging material. Sorry, this is weird, I have to lift my leg up, but it's not jegging material, it's stretchy denim. You know, the inside looks like denim. I tried to get like a dark pair, a medium, and then a light pair. Okay, this one's darker, or black. This one is in royal blue denim, extra small petite, Halara flex, high-waisted, pocket baggy, wide leg, wash casual jean. Sorry, my voice is really bad. I'm just getting over a cold. So, okay, so I was a little worried putting this one on because it's a little tight right here. Actually not tight, but when I was pulling it over my hips, I was like, will my hips actually fit? But they did. And now that it's on, it actually feels good on my waist. Not super squeezing all the fat, you know, the muffin top. But it also feels a little compressive here. I like that. The pockets are good. It's a fake faux fly. The back pockets are functional and everything's super, you know, stretchy. The length is like the best, right at the floor, where if I wear shoes, it's like just hitting the ground. This one is also super stretchy and super comfortable. They're all very lightweight material, which is really nice for me in Hawaii because then I can wear it year round and not feel hot. So yeah, this is a win. For this kind of like banded top though, I would not wear a crop top with this. Not that I wear a lot of crop tops, but I would definitely wear like a longer shirt like this, or kind of tuck it in but cover this area. If you had kids, you know what maternity jeans are, and it just reminds me of that when you have the band. It was not bad because it is very comfortable without the button, and pulling it on is so nice. Okay, the last pair of jeans in this order is this Halara Flex high-waisted pockets baggy wide leg washed casual jean. Okay, same as these. This one is in the carbon paint denim extra small petite. So yeah, it's exact same pants, just in the black, and I really like the coloring on this one. It's a lot darker at the bottom and a little bit more gray, I guess, over here. It was a little, you know, same thing. It's a little tight here, but not bad. I can still wear it. The pockets are functional. The jeans are lightweight, like super lightweight and stretchy. So I will try on the one that didn't work, and I will show you the difference. Okay, so this one is the Halara Flex mid-rise wide leg wash casual jean with pockets in a size small. So yeah, if you have anything more than a size 35, 36 hip, do not get these in extra small. Get them at least in a small. It has the compression material like yoga pants, and that's why it's like that, and so it will stretch, no worries, you know, but just getting it over your hips is the challenge. So look how big these are, and these are a size small. What do you think? It's just really big. Maybe kids wear it like that, I don't know, but it's a little bit too much. It is super comfortable. I love the material, so I was super sad when it was way too big. So that is it for the jeans. Okay, so these are the waffle knit wide leg pants. Actually, let me tell you the actual name. The Halara Flex high-waisted pocket wide leg waffle work pants in Grizzly extra small petite. And I only got one of these. These are the extra small, and if you remember how it fit in the last video, it was crazy wide and big. It's still a little bit too wide. I think I just have to realize that my frame cannot handle the super wide leg, but this is what it looks like. And it is so comfortable. The waffle knit is so comfy yet breathable. I really like it. I'm just having a hard time finding tops to go with it because it's so wide. I feel like I have to wear something fitted on the top, and I don't know. I don't do that at work. You know, I just want to be comfortable. So I haven't worn these yet, but I will. I will show you my other favorite one that I ordered. Okay, so this is the Halara Flex high-waisted pocket straight leg work pants in extra small petite, and the color is red mahogany. And I also got this in black, exact same. And these I think are my favorite because it looks very neat, you know, and polished as a work pant. And you know, the back has these are not real pockets, but it feels really nice. It's like a thick yoga pant material, slightly shiny, not really, but it's just not matte, and it's super comfortable, super, you know, bendy and breathable. These I think are my favorite work pants. I think, you know, like I was saying, I want to like the wide leg, but actually straight leg just looks better on me. That's just how it is. I can show you the tops too. So in my last order, I showed you the V-neck short sleeve casual t-shirt, the one that looks like this. I also got it in white. I'm not going to try it on again since I already showed you. But this is the round neck, short batwing sleeve work shirt in white small. It's a little tight here. You just have to be careful putting it over your head. The first time I did, I think I felt like a thread snap. But like when I just put it on now, I was more gentle. But I really like this top because you can put it at your waist and it can be like a crop top-ish. You can pull it lower depending, you know, how much you want to stretch that band or what size you get. Otherwise, it's just a good top. You can wear it with all these pants. Okay, so let's try on the dresses. Okay, so this dress is the V-neck, short sleeve, side pocket, wide leg, flowy waffle casual jumpsuit in bronze, stone green, extra small petite. I guess it was really on sale. It was like $19.96, but it has a little button here, which I think is a little too high up. I don't know. I think it looks a little weird buttoned right here. I would want to move it a little bit lower, and maybe I will. Otherwise, I'll just put tape. You know, like the closed tape, double-sided tape. I like this. I was going to return this because I bought the black one too. I don't know why I bought two of the exact same thing. Well, maybe it was like a two for $40 kind of deal. 2 for $39.99 or something. But actually, I'm kind of glad I'm going to keep this now because I do like the color. It is very nice and breathable. Now that I'm all hot from trying all this stuff on, this actually feels really nice and cooling. It's perfect right here, the extra small. The only thing I didn't absolutely love is that to use the bathroom, I gotta take the whole thing off. You know, like open this part, and then do it like pants. Some of their jumpsuits have that opening here where it's not connected, and it's just so much easier. So my friend for my birthday gave me one of their tennis dresses in black, and it was an extra small. It was like just right, like if it's not a little bit tight, but it had that opening right here, and to use the bathroom, you can just like pull it down, and it is a lot easier. I don't think I will buy anything else like a tennis dress like that or workout dresses unless it has that. Because you know, if you're actually working out and you're all sweaty, it's actually hard to take all that stuff off. So having that was really nice. So I just wish this one had it. For the price, it's good enough. The length is perfect for wearing a short heel. I bought this green and one in black. Okay, so this is the rib knit sleeveless black ruched pocket wide leg casual jumpsuit in black extra small regular, and I think this is like $15.96. It does look good. It is super comfortable. The rib material is super nice. It's like a cottony feel. It's not one of those bra top ones. You do have to wear your own bra, but it has pockets, and I mean, it looks good. I don't know. I like it. I would wear this out. The only thing I don't like, and it's kind of a deal breaker to me, is it's very tight right here. So if you look, here is a zipper, and it goes all the way down, so it's very easy to get in. But it is so tight all the way up here, and the neck part, there's elastic, so I can't really stretch it out. Maybe I can. Now that I'm keeping it, I don't mind stretching it. If I can stretch it out, then I think I would like it. Oh, actually, maybe. If I pull it so that it's like higher up here and pulling it lower, I think it's bearable. But having it tight right here is kind of claustrophobic, to be honest. But now that I'm doing this, I think it'll be okay. Just initially when I put it on and I zipped it all the way up, I was like, that's too tight. And especially if we go to dinner or something, I don't know. So maybe it's a good one too. So the only thing that I absolutely cannot wear are the baggy jeans. And the length on this one is actually, it's definitely a high heel type of outfit. But otherwise, the material is very nice and stretchy. Like, even the waist part has a lot of stretch to it. So that part's comfortable. It was just this part that I didn't like. Anyways, that concludes my Halara haul. I hope this helped someone who's petite. My favorites are, just to take away or summarize, are these work pants. And these jeans were amazing. I highly recommend. I think the pockets in the front are cute. Kind of takes away from it being wide here. And they are real, like real jeans, you know, versus the banded one. And I just prefer that because if your shirt lifts up a little bit, you know, no one's gonna be like, oh, that's maternity jeans. These are actually really nice. If you look at the material, it's so light. Highly recommend their jeans. And everything's super reasonably priced. And actually the return policy was not bad since they let me keep everything. And now I can give it to someone who's like a little bit taller than me. And yeah, and they give you 20% credit on top of that. So obviously this is not a sponsored video, otherwise I probably can't say all that kind of stuff. This was bought all with my own money, and I just been loving Halara. So you can get similar clothes on Amazon with a better return policy and probably faster shipping. But Halara has a lot of really good sales, so I don't know, you just have to price it out. But they do have similar pants and everything on Amazon. I just can't guarantee it's going to be the same one. So if you were looking for, say, this exact same pants, you just type in the description all the words that I said, and hopefully it'll pull you up to the exact item. So thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.